One of the most common processes used in Issuetrak is a new employee onboarding process. Every company has different steps depending on which departments need to be involved in the process. You'll want to set up any task group branching as needed. In this example, we've set up 3 different tasks that trigger additional steps to represent the 3 departments we want to be involved: human resources, facilities, and IT. When we mark that we're ready to complete the facilities tasks, the task group will pop into the issue at the bottom, giving us a list of tasks to complete. The same thing happens when we mark the HR and IT tasks. The details of each task can be customized based on what needs to be done and who needs to do it. Each step will need to be completed before the issue can be closed. Once tasks are completed, the date and time show in the completed column. You can then click on the name of the task to get a pop-up window to see who completed it. That's using tasks for employee onboarding in Issuetrak.